my god, this morning I almost didn't make it because they're having a problem with the machine. So I couldn't check in on the airport in Vancouver. I had to wait online for an hour. So my flight's almost take off. I just barely make it. It's fun. It's fun traveling. Hey guys, I'm in Accent Decor headquarters right now with Chris. Say hi. Hey. Right now we are going to the showroom, the headquarters showroom. They totally redid it 2 years ago and I haven't seen it. Chris is gonna show me the new showroom. Guys, this is so cool. This is the wrapping machine in here. Okay, this is how I set up my table, more open space. And I like to cage myself too. Like I put a garbage can in here, oasis on the bottoms. So everything is more efficient. I like to set up like this so I can put my garbage in there immediately when I finish the arrangement. The other thing is all the supplies is in here, all the flowers and greens and supplies is in here, and I will put all the flowers in here. Before they put the table here facing the wall, so I don't like that. That's why I pull it out. And this is more efficient. I like clean table, don't messing up my table. I'm gonna scream like a little kid. Okay, see you guys. See you next time. Bye. Bye everyone. Bye.